Boy, do I have something special to show you today. Where are we? We're in villas at Llano Hills. This is maybe 15, 20 minutes from about 7 different beaches. The price point here is incredible. This will be an 11 villa total community, gated, community swimming pool, community clubhouse with a gym, a yoga studio, bathrooms, grills. It's gonna be really nice. So let's go over what's being built here. This area here that's just started grading as of this week is going to have 8 villas. There's going to be 4 1-bedroom, 1.5 bath villas and 4 2-bedroom, 2-bath villas. The 1-bedroom villas are $150,000 US. The 2-bedroom villas are $175,000 US to start. That's with air conditionings. You get to pick between 3 different cabinets, and the countertops are quartz. If you need to upgrade that, this is the time to do it before it's built. But this area will have villas through it. So we come up, you'll see there's 3 villas that are large villas that are already here. This one that we're going to do a walkthrough is pretty much ready to go. One villa is sold, and then the one at the very end of that street is still under construction. It's about 3 to 4 months out from being completed. But if you wanted to get in now and pick your colors and pick your treatments and whatever, that'd be the time to do it, would be now. So we're going to come up. Now there will be villas up in this area. This will be the parking lot. The swimming pool and clubhouse are going down here at the end of the property. So you'll have a central parking lot for the 8 smaller villas. This will also be parking lot for overflow for the 3 large villas for guests. But you'll have a good view out over the other villas. There'll be a garden-like setting, so you'll park your car here if you're in one of the 8 smaller villas, and you'll have a path to walk down to your villa. These are the 3 larger homes. Again, this one on the end is ready to go. This builder, not only does he have a warranty that's better than most. So Costa Rica requires new buildings to have a 1-year kind of full warranty, and then 4 years of a limited warranty. This builder goes a step above and actually gives you a 5-year full warranty on the properties he builds. All 3 of these will have pools. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath at $229,000. The pool's on the end. They're still working on the gates and the walling, so don't let that bother you. So we're up to the house that's currently ready to be sold. We'll go through that in a minute. The one at the end down here is the one that's 3 to 4 months out from being built. It's got the larger lot of these 3. All of these homes have private pools, but you also have access to the community pool and the community parking lot. And there'll also be a clubhouse with barbecues, bathrooms, a gym, a little yoga setup, fire pit, and a little playground. So the house at the end, when it's completed with a larger lot, is $249,000. And again, that's choice of 3 different standard cabinets with quartz countertops. If you needed something different, that's the time to do that in that home, because they haven't got to that point at all yet. So you can change your colors, move some stuff around, and make it your own. So this home here is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath. These homes are built with concrete and steel. We'll go a little bit, but we do have workers on the inside, so I'm not gonna get in their way. We'll just look at the outside, kind of see. This has a larger yard. There's a stage now to where they do have the wiring in, but they're about to start with the windows, the flooring, and finish off the roof. There would be a private pool in the back. This house, when completed, will be $249,000, and it's got the largest lot of all 3 of the larger villas. All of these 3 villas here have parking for 2 cars. This home right here, at $229,000, this one's pretty much ready to go. Just have to install the air conditioning systems of your choice, pretty much. Within the price range mentioned, there's going to be, some that you can choose. If you needed a different kind of unit, maybe you wanted to go solar, for the air conditions. You could do that, but that's going to be a little bit different price. This home already has the pool in, of course, so again, the only thing left to do on this house is to do the final paint. You'll choose your cabinets. Here's the kitchen area. Now there is a bit of furnishings in here. You can get these furnished. The prices I'm telling you today are unfurnished. Your kitchen's there. You get to pick one of 3 different cabinets. Quartz countertops. This has a nice little back patio area with an exterior laundry, which is really nice for the heat down here. This is your open concept living room kitchen area. These lighting fixtures are in there just kind of for show. If they're not to your liking, we can have those changed out for you. Here's the primary suite. You'll notice it's right off the pool. And again, keep in mind, the exterior walls are going up, the main gate's going up. This property will have an electronic gate, so you can just buzz in and out. Security cameras, and it will take care of the pool and common areas and the landscaping, that sort of thing. Look at that view. Well, until the little half wall goes up, right? So you come into the walk-in closet, and then you have this restroom here with the shower. Let's walk through the rest of the house. Look at this big door, very pretty wood. Again, this is where we came in through the carport. You can choose to enter through the main door as well. Here's your secondary bathroom. But this is something that's kind of unusual for Costa Rica, and especially at this price point. This is an extremely large tub, and it has a shower fixture as well. Here's one of the secondary bedrooms. They're already kind of wired for hanging TVs. Let's look through here. Again, the other secondary bedroom. It's already got the cable pulled for the television. This area is actually pretty good with services. You can have standard RG6 kind of cable, internet, and television. You can have fiber optic as well. Here's the pool area. Nice size pool. You have a barbecue area over here, and it's actually already stubbed for a sink if you chose. Your pool house, you have an outdoor shower there. Super nice when the wall's up, it'll kind of cut off a little bit of Main Street. So where are we? We're in between the towns of El Llano and Puerto Golpe. We're just east of Huacas, which pushes us 15 minutes to Playa Grande, Playa Conchal, Playa Brasilito, Playa Flamingo, Surfside Potrero, and Playa Potrero. You're about 18 to 20 minutes the other way to Playa Tamarindo. So you can run out, have your nightlife, and then get back to your quiet, peaceful life here. Look at that hill. What services are around here? So we have, in Huacas, we have doctors, dentists, hospital, emergency care, clothing stores, appliance stores, several grocery stores. Where we're at here is this road out here in the front is the main road that people come into the beaches for. So if you go east of here, you go back towards Liberia, you're a little less than an hour to the Liberia International Airport. If you go west from here, you go through Huacas, and 7 different beaches that everybody knows about. And there's about 2 beaches that a lot of people don't know about that the rest of us go to avoid avoid tourists. But it's really a nice area. As you can see, the mountains over there. It's peaceful. There's about 4 restaurants that you can walk to from this house. They're local sodas or family-owned restaurants with more Tico-esque kind of food. Great pricing though. I mean, you can have dinner and a couple of beers for $12, $12 US. There is 3 grocery stores that you can walk to from here. They're smaller grocery stores, but pretty much have everything you need from a day-to-day basis. If you need something more, you just go over the hill to Huacas. So let's talk about the hill. As you can see, this mountain over here, the other side is Huacas. And what does that mean? So we're away from the beach a little bit, like again, 15 minutes, but that breaks up the wind that's coming off the ocean. So it reduces the humidity, but we're in a big valley here. And what that allows is some great breezes here that don't really have the humidity. So I love the area. I don't live far from here. So leave a comment. What do you think of this type of house? If you watched my other video talking about should you buy on the beach or buy inland a little bit, the pros and cons, you'll understand that these price points, these size homes, and the area you're at where you can get to multiple beaches, all the services you really need is truly extraordinary. A home this size near the beach is going to be $600,000 minimum. So this is really a great buy. If you're interested in this home or the one under construction or one of the villas that you've seen the renderings on, do please contact me and let's set up a time to talk and see how this fits with your plans and how you would like to proceed. So if you like this video, please do give me a thumbs up, share it with somebody you think might enjoy this type of property. Do comment. Is this a property that's interesting to you, especially at this price point and the location? Is there any other places you'd like me to go explore? Please do leave that in the comments. I do read them and respond when appropriate. Also, consider hitting that subscribe button so you know when I post new content. Okay? Well, thank you for joining me today for this walkthrough of this exciting 11 villa private gated community. I can't wait for the construction to start on the other villas and the pool. It's going to be really extraordinary, and I probably will be coming back for more video as it progresses. But now's the time to get in while the prices are super low, and you can actually choose what your finishes are. If it hasn't been built yet, you can decide to change the colors, change the countertops. This builder also has a custom wood shop. If you needed custom cabinets instead of the 3 that he normally offers, he's certainly open to talking to you about that. Thank you. I'm Wayne Turpin with Affordable Home Costa Rica. Pura Vida.